Daddy, I come bearing gifts.
Oh my
for Christmas.
Well, let me get my hug first. Bless you, bless you. Oh, is this my Christmas gift? This XL?
I got you something even better. This is your Christmas gift here from me.
Thank you, thank you.
And the ministry family.
Oh my. Okay, let's see. All right. I'm gonna do this bow. Let's see what we have happening here. These boxes are something to live for. Oh. Go yard.
Leo.
Go yard.
Hoy yard.
This is great. Oh, something to travel with. This is excellent.
And you can, I know you travel private.
Yes, oh, you remember.
And this is the other part that goes with it.
Which is it go? Yeah, this one. Yeah, oh, it matches with this one.
The trunk.
All right, Aubrey, we're gonna be getting ready to travel with the trunk now. This is excellent. 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 Great. So this here is the handle. Go yard. For the purpose of private. You can't check this in.
No.
No, you cannot. Check this in.
Maybe on Emirates.
Maybe on Emirates. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. How long you had this?
Oh, I had this since I was a teenager.
A teenager? No.
I had this one since I was like...
Doesn't that look great?
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless.